The world of cryptocurrency is a wild ride. One day you're up, the next you're staring at losses. That volatility is what draws many to crypto, but it can be discouraging when prices fall. Here's the silver lining. Those losses aren't just painful, they can actually help you at tax time. The IRS treats crypto as property, so every sale, trade, or spend is a taxable event. If you sell at a profit, you owe capital gains tax. But if you sell at a loss, you realize a capital loss. These losses can offset your gains, directly lowering your tax bill. Smart investors use this to their advantage every year. Instead of just feeling the sting of a dip, think like a strategist. Proper tax reporting isn't just about paying when you win, it's about claiming what you're owed when you lose. This mindset turns a negative into a financial positive. It's the first step to mastering your crypto taxes. Even in a bear market, you can actively manage your financial destiny. Let's see how to turn red charts into green savings. So, how do crypto losses save you money? It's called offsetting capital gains. Say you made $5,000 selling Bitcoin, but lost $3,000 on Ethereum. You only pay tax on the $2,000 net gain. If your losses exceed your gains, you can use up to $3,000 of those losses to reduce your regular income. Any leftover losses? You can carry them forward to future years. This means a bad year in crypto can keep saving you money for years to come. It's a powerful tool for long-term planning. Don't just accept losses, use them to your advantage. The IRS lets you turn market downturns into tax breaks. Every loss is a potential deduction. With the right strategy, volatility works for you. That's how savvy investors turn red candles into green savings. Let's break down how to report these losses. Here's your step-by-step guide. Reporting crypto losses is easier than you think if you stay organized. Track every transaction, date, amount paid, date sold, and sale price. For each sale, subtract your cost from your sale price to find your gain or loss. Do this for every taxable event, selling, trading, or spending crypto. Next, separate your gains and losses into short-term, held 1 year or less, and long-term, more than 1 year. Net your short-term and long-term results separately. Report everything on IRS Form 8949, then summarize on Schedule D with your main tax return. Crypto tax software can automate most of this, making compliance much easier. Good records mean less stress and more savings. Now, let's talk about a strategy to maximize those losses: tax loss harvesting. Tax loss harvesting means selling assets at a loss on purpose to offset gains and cut your tax bill. For example, if you've made $10,000 in gains but have a coin down in value, you can sell it to realize the loss and offset your gains. Unlike stocks, the wash sale rule doesn't currently apply to crypto, so you can buy back the same asset right away. This loophole lets you harvest losses without missing out on future gains. But always check for updates. Crypto tax rules change fast. Consider transaction fees and price swings before selling. The goal: reduce taxes without derailing your investment plan. Tax loss harvesting is a smart way to make the most of a down market. Use it to keep more of your money working for you. Now, let's avoid some common crypto tax mistakes. Crypto taxes can be tricky. Here's how to avoid the biggest mistakes. First, poor record keeping. Track every trade from day one, ideally with crypto tax software. Second, misunderstanding taxable events. Trading one crypto for another or using crypto to buy something, both are taxable. Third, forgetting about fees. Include them in your calculations. They can reduce your gains or increase your losses. Fourth, ignoring taxes altogether. The IRS is watching, and exchanges report user data. Failing to report can mean audits, penalties, and interest. Don't risk it. Report accurately from the start. Stay organized, know what's taxable, and include all fees. That's how you sidestep the most common crypto tax pitfalls. Now, let's talk about the peace of mind that comes with compliance. It's not just about saving money, it's about investing with confidence. Here's why it matters. Proper tax reporting isn't just about savings, it's about peace of mind. Crypto is stressful enough without worrying about the IRS. Staying compliant means no fear of audits or penalties. It also makes you a smarter investor. Tracking every trade helps you refine your strategy. As crypto goes mainstream, those with good habits will adapt easily to new rules. Tax compliance is a tool for self-improvement and long-term success. You can hodl with confidence, knowing your wins and losses are accounted for. Turn losses into tax savings and celebrate your gains, stress-free. Mastering crypto taxes is your key to becoming a savvy, strategic investor.